How to open already viewed photos on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to reopen photos you've already viewed on Instagram. You know those disappearing photos sent through DMs? Once you view them, they're gone, or so it seems. But there's a trick to see them again. First, open Instagram and go to your direct messages by tapping the paper plane icon at the top right. Find the conversation where the photo was sent. If it's a disappearing photo, you'll notice it says photo or opened instead of showing the image. Here's the trick. If the sender enabled replay, you'll see an option to request photo. Tap it, the sender will get a notification, and if they approve, the photo will be sent again. Now for Android users, if you received a notification when the photo was first sent, you might still see a preview. Head to Settings, Notifications, Instagram, and check if the image is visible in the recent alerts. And if none of that works, just ask the sender to resend the photo. Sometimes the easiest way is the most effective. And that's it. Now you know how to reopen disappearing photos on Instagram. If this helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more quick tutorials.